Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you suffer from hemorrhoids, or you've just given birth and you're looking for some postpartum care, or you just wanted to basically be clean down there. And that is, it's a sit bath. This was sent over by a company called Pochik, and it's going to come in this little set right here. So this is the bath, as you can see. But what makes this one really cool is it also has a little electric fountain with it. So it's going to allow you to get nice and extra clean. So let's go over everything you're going to get. So first off, you are going to get the Sitz Bath, which we're gonna go over here in a minute. You're gonna get this nice little bag here. This is perfect for if you are traveling. You can put everything in here, or when you're not utilizing it, you can just store it away. It's gonna keep dust from collecting it or anything like that. And then finally, you are gonna get the little kind of pump fountain part here, and then the control unit itself. So you're gonna notice it's got 4 little kind of suction cups here on the bottom. That's gonna allow you to position it however you need to position it, and it's just gonna stick there and stay in put. Now, as far as controlling of the pump itself, very easy to adjust. There is a little kind of plus or minus section here on the side. So just go ahead and move that little thing, and that's going to essentially increase the flow or decrease the flow depending on how high you need it. So why the pump is nice, all right? So when you sit in the sit bath, how these work is you're gonna fill this up with water almost up to this little line right here. You wanna make sure the water is quite warm, but not scalding hot. So aim for around 100 degrees, and then you can choose to add any Epsom salt or just the warm water if you wish. It's gonna draw kind of blood to that area. It's going to soothe it, going to kind of reduce that swelling and basically promote that healing, which is great, especially after childbirth. And then if you want just a little bit extra cleaning, this is going to allow that water movement. So instead of just being static in there, you're going to be able to put this in, and it's just going to cause like a little bubble and just cycle that water over the area, allowing it to clean a little bit better as well instead of just sitting there. Now you're going to want to sit there anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to let it do its thing. And then when it comes time to clean and empty, you go ahead and stand up. You're gonna pat yourself dry, and then you're just gonna tilt this back, and you're gonna see all these little holes right here. This is what's gonna allow you to drain this into the toilet. And it's very comfortable to sit on. It's a nice hard plastic. It's nice and contoured. So obviously you're sitting there for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's comfortable to sit on. It just goes right over your toilet seat. Pretty much fits almost all standard toilet seats. And then it even has non-slip rubber backing, so it doesn't kind of slide around on you as well. Now, as far as the pump itself, you're going to simply, like I said, stick it where you want, and then you're going to loop it through the drain hole or the little top part if you wish. This little hole here at the top is also utilized to let it hang dry if you want to utilize that as well. And then you're going to hook it up to the little control mechanism right here. This takes 4 AA batteries. The batteries will last multiple sessions, so very, very easy to use. It's just a USB plug on the one side. Go ahead and plug it in, and then switch the button, and you'll notice the pump is incredibly quiet. You're not going to hear it. So if you're in there and you don't want somebody hearing what you're doing, you don't have to worry about it. Like if you take this to work or something, you're not going to hear this pump going off, which is another nice aspect of it when utilizing it as well. And then it also does have the pump. It's got the ability to just kind of, it's like I said, it's an auto flushing cleaning system. So it just helps you keep that area nice and clean. Now, when it comes time to storage this does push flat. So you can see it makes it super thin to put away. You can slide it into a cabinet or anything like that when you are not utilizing it. Now I have the aqua color, so depending on the color you want, there does come with little different rubber kind of color inserts here. And it's all, like I said, made out of a nice medical grade plastic, so it makes it very easy to clean. But overall, like I said, if you have just given birth to a baby or you're looking for hemorrhoid support, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.